For those of you that I have not had the chance to meet, my name is Toby Robin, and I'm the Vice President of Sales for Cerrowire's electrical distribution business. Also presenting today will be Rich Fahey. He is Cerrowire's Senior Product Manager for the ReelRover, and Chris Marlow, Cerrowire's Director of Strategic Accounts. Chris is our newest addition to the sales team. They are set up in expo format so that we can conduct some live demonstrations with the Rover and CerroPack and answer any questions that you may have in real time.
So the CerroPack can be vertically nested too, whether you're on a cart or in a service vehicle. With the indentations in the packaging, they actually fit together very easily and nicely, and they won't slide off.
So on each ReelRover, there is a QR code on the top of the gearbox. And all you got to do is simply take your phone or tablet, open up the camera, hit the drop-down menu, and there you have it. Everything that you need to know about the ReelRover right there at your fingertips.